Hi everyone, so welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can color grade your videos with this vibrant red color in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is add your clips, and after that go straight to adjust and then click on the adjust style. Now on the red color, set the saturations into 100 and lower the rest of the color, the saturations of the other colors, into 100, minus 100, like this. And after that you'll get this vibrant red color for your clips. Just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you for watching. Bye.